Irish Coffee Milkshake recipe, a delicious twist on a classic drink. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best recipes with a twist. Today, we're shaking things up with a delightful treat, Irish Coffee Milkshake. It's creamy, rich, and packs a punch of flavor that will leave you craving for more. Ingredients: 2 cups of vanilla ice cream, 1/2 cup of strong brewed coffee, chilled, 1/4 cup of Irish whiskey, 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup, whipped cream, for topping, chocolate shavings, for garnish, optional, cinnamon powder, for garnish, optional. Instructions: first, add in your vanilla ice cream. Next, pour in that strong brewed coffee. It's what gives our milkshake that authentic Irish coffee flavor. Now, for a little kick, add in the Irish whiskey. And let's not forget the chocolate syrup, because who doesn't love chocolate? Once everything is in the blender, it's time to blend until smooth and creamy. Ah, can you smell that delicious aroma already? Now, pour your creamy concoction into a tall glass. Look at that beautiful texture. To finish it off, top it with a generous dollop of whipped cream. And for that extra touch of indulgence, sprinkle some chocolate shavings on top. A dash of cinnamon adds a lovely aroma and flavor. And there you have it, our Irish coffee milkshake, ready to be enjoyed. It's the perfect treat for any time of day, whether you're relaxing at home or entertaining guests. So go ahead, give it a try, and let us know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Slaint.